Well, we have some more news that's just coming in. The second batch of the Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccines is set to arrive in India tomorrow. Do remember that just a few days ago we had the first batch of the Sputnik V arrive in India. This, of course, will go a long way in boosting our vaccination capabilities. This breaking news just coming in. Let's go across live to the news desk now. Digital desk, in fact, is joining us. Natasha from the digital desk now joins me. Natasha, give us more details about this second batch of the Sputnik V that's coming in.
Yeah, right now the biggest breaking thing is that the second batch of Sputnik vaccine is arriving in India tomorrow. It's pertinent to note that we've already received the first batch on May 1st, and on republicworld.com we have all the details that you need to know about this vaccine, which will boost our fight against the COVID virus and the second wave that's really prevalent right now. So India became the 60th country to approve Sputnik V, and while it is being imported, India is also going to produce the batches, which is in partnership with Dr. Reddy's labs and Russia. The clinical trials of the vaccine and rights for distribution in India are backed by Dr. Reddy, and it will not only be produced in India, but it will also be then further exported to other countries. And it is pertinent to note here that this is a 2-dose vaccine, and the cost of 1 dose of vaccine will be less than $10. So all you need to know about the Sputnik vaccine and what the health ministry has said about it, about the Sputnik Light, that is a different version of the same vaccine, you can read it right here on republicworld.com in the coronavirus section. Back to you.
Right, thank you, Natasha, for joining us with those details of the news that's just coming in, that the second batch of Sputnik V vaccines will be arriving in India shortly. This is expected to boost our vaccination capabilities. Thank you for joining us. Let's